This low-kilometer 2016 RAV4 SE is winter-ready with all-wheel drive, snow tires, and roof racks installed, and it shows like new, inside and out. Around back, the RAV features rear privacy glass, a color-matched rear spoiler, a trailer hitch, and a shark fin antenna. The hatch opens wide to reveal a spotless cargo area that offers loads of room for your gear, protective rubber matting, and a convenient power lift gate. From the driver's side, the RAV looks sharp and white with a blacked-out grille, projector beam headlights, fog lights, and LED running lights. Inside, the cabin feels upscale with contoured leather bucket seats with exposed red stitching, climate control air conditioning, power windows and locks, cruise control, push-button start, tilt steering, a leather-wrapped wheel, heated seats, a power moonroof, and an AM, FM, CD, SAT radio display audio system with Bluetooth, navigation, and a backup camera. The upholstery is in top condition throughout, and in the back there's seating for 3 passengers, a drop-down center console, and 60/40 fold-down rear seat backs. The engine bay is clean and power comes from a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Don't miss out on this one. RAV4s this nice are in high demand. Call today to book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're located on Leathead Road in Kelowna.